This video is going to cover the financial service industry. So we're going to cover the U.S. financial system, types of financial institutions and the services that they offer, as well as e-banking. Financial services refers to economic services that provide a range of organizations that do things like manage money, such as banks, insurance companies, credit unions, investment companies, credit card companies, as well as real estate companies. The Federal Reserve, also known as the Fed, is the central bank in the U.S. The Fed was established in 1913 to establish a safe, flexible, and stable financial and monetary system in our country. The Fed is headquartered in Washington, D.C., and there are 12 member banks throughout the entire country. The three main functions of the Fed are to conduct monetary policy, and that means they adjust the money supply as needed to help out in times of recession or during inflationary times. They also maintain the stability of the financial system, and they provide financial services to the government. This illustration shows money going into the banking system. So we have depositors in the form of us as consumers, as well as businesses and the government. And then we have outflow or borrowers. Again, we borrow money for houses or for car loans. Businesses always also borrow money, as well as our government. There are a variety of different financial institutions. Banks come in the form of commercial or investment. So as consumers, we do business with a bank, and that allows us to deposit our money in an account, also take that money out or process payments through our bank. Investment banks offer services related to buying and selling securities, and they also can help a company go public and offer their stock for sale to the public. Credit card companies are companies that issue credit to consumers as well as businesses and service their accounts. Insurance companies are businesses that sell coverage in the form of a contract or policy. So they provide compensation or replacement in the event of a loss. So there are a lot of different types of insurance that you can buy. Auto insurance, for example, to help compensate you in the event of an auto accident. Also, other insurance contracts available to compensate you as a result of fire, theft, etc. Credit unions are co-ops, so those are institutions that operate a lot like a bank, but the members of the credit union control the credit union. Brokerage firms bring buyers and sellers of financial assets together, and they process those transactions for a fee. Accounting firms provide bookkeeping, tax, and auditing services for a fee. And investment companies, again, invest in stocks, bonds, and other securities on behalf of their clients, and they manage those accounts. Financial advisors are professionals that offer advice in money management services for everything from investing to insurance, college saving, and estate planning. Real estate companies are licensed agents that assist clients in pricing and selling their properties. E-banking is very prevalent today, so it's a digital way of making financial transactions using your ATM to deposit money or take money out. You can check your balances. Point of sale terminals allow electronic retail payment transactions to take place. You can also use online banking services that will allow you to download your information on a mobile device. Some important safety measures to consider when e-banking: never give your account information and your social security number over the phone or through email. Make sure that you log out of a website after you've processed a transaction. It's smart to purchase antivirus, encryption, and firewall software for your devices. Password protect your devices. Make sure you're creating strong passwords and that you change those passwords frequently. Keep your receipts and compare those receipts to your online statements that you receive. And it's important to do that in a prompt manner so that you could catch any potential fraud. Make sure a company's website is secure before you are going to use your credit card or debit card. So an example is if the URL contains an S after HTTPS, the S indicates that the website is secure. So I would never do business online with a company that does not have a secure website. Identity theft, you can visit a website called onguardonline.gov to learn about the warning signs of identity theft and what to do if your identity has been compromised.